Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to cover 5 essential phenomena that can make your shopping way more enjoyable. These phenomena are the following: present bias, crowd herding, scarcity heuristic, decoy effect, and IKEA effect. Part 1. Why do we need to be aware of these concepts? In our everyday life, marketers and behavioral economists are constantly trying to influence us, even in subtle ways. Just think about how a supermarket is displayed. The lights, music, and product placement are all carefully designed to give the best customer experience and, of course, to generate the most profit. Part 2. What are the 5 concepts? Present bias, also called hyperbolic discounting, is the tendency to prefer immediate rewards over larger future rewards. For example, which one would you choose? $100 today or $120 in a month? Most people pick $100 today. In shopping, this shows up when you're at checkout and suddenly grab a chocolate bar or drink you didn't plan to buy. The impulse buying kicks in, resulting in more spending. Another example is the buy now, pay later scheme. If you haven't watched the previous video, I'll link it in the description. This method lets you pay in installments rather than all at once. It's convenient if you really need the item, but future you will also have to pay, and multiple purchases can add up quickly, making the overall cost feel daunting. The next concept is closely connected to the present bias, crowd herding, or commonly known as the FOMO effect. The fear of missing out effect has grown rapidly in the past decade. Just think of Dubai chocolate, the Stanley Cup, or the Labubu trend. New trends constantly emerge, and the urge to join the community can be strong. Labels like bestseller or top-rated can trigger purchases because your brain associates them with higher quality or value. Even seeing a long line in front of a store can make you think the products are better, at least in theory. Next is the scarcity heuristic, which makes a product seem more valuable simply because it's limited, either in quantity or in manufacturing time. Limited edition chocolates or special flavors are more tempting. Another example is limited time offers, like today only discounts, which combine scarcity with urgency, encouraging impulsive buying. Online platforms often show how few items are left, for example, only 2 left, which can make you act fast. The fourth concept is the decoy effect. Imagine going to a store and seeing 3 options: a shirt for $25, a pants for $35, or shirts plus pants for $40. Which one would you choose? Leave it in the comments. The $35 pants serves as a decoy, anchoring you to choose the combined option because it seems like the best value, even if you don't really need both. Finally, the IKEA effect. Named after the furniture store, this concept means we value products more if we've put effort into creating or assembling them. A different example is baking using pre-made ingredients. Simply mixing and baking makes you value the final product, because the act of contributing effort increases your attachment to the result. This was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.